Hi everyone, this is CA Neha Gupta. I welcome you all on this channel. As you're already aware that 31st December is the last date for almost everything. That includes income tax filing, GST annual return or audit filing and ROC filing. Do you really think so that by 31st December we are able to deliver everything? I don't think so. And the reason is very clear that income tax portal is not working. You may ask this thing that if income tax portal is not working, then why every other work is pending? So reason is very simple. If you are not able to file ITR, then obviously it will impact the ROC work and for the company, and also it will impact the GST audit and annual returns too. So now the point is not about the only extension. It's about that our supreme body of accounting, the ICAI, is not writing representation. So my point is that ICAI should come forward and they should write a representation to Finance Minister, to Nirmala ma'am. Because if institute will do something, then obviously action will be taken up. As of now, ICSI, the Institute of Company Secretary of India, already made a representation for extension of MCA due dates, that is for ROC. But for ITR and TAR, that is for income tax return and tax audit report, extension due dates representation is still pending by the ICAI. And this is the reason we are still not getting any positive response that yes, due date will be extended and we can keep calm ourselves. And we are in so much of pressure that yes, we have to deliver our each and every work by 31st December. There is a client pressure too, but institute is not understanding this thing. So my point is, or my request is that you should come forward. If you are a chartered accountant, if you are a professional, you should come forward and raise your voice. Either do tweets or posts or whatever you can do something about it, so that institute will aware and they can make a representation to finance minister, to Nirmala ma'am. And if you can do something to talk about Nirmala ma'am, to talk to Nirmala ma'am regarding this, then you should have to do something. My point is clear that we should try for this thing. Because we are in lots of mental pressure, a team is in pressure, and also our clients will also in pressure, reason being that if their work is not on time, obviously they will create pressure on us. So we should come forward and do something about it. So I request everyone that if you know any profession, then forward this video to them, and also request them to post anything about the due date extension or the representation. My request from the ICAI that this representation should be made as soon as possible. I understand that elections are going on, the result is awaiting, but do you really think so that because of election you have to keep this thing awaiting? No. And if you're doing so, that obviously you're actually hampering the work of many chartered accountants. So kindly do something about it, and let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.